Friends, how are you? Today I am going to draw the sketch in SolidWorks or learn it. First open the software, then go to file and click new, and click part and click OK. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the circle. Here two circle draw. Now give the dimension this circle 60 and this circle dimension 40. Now draw the circle here again, two circle. Now same here, draw the two circle. Okay. Now give the dimension this circle dimension 32 and this circle dimension 20 and this circle dimension 20. Now this point and this point dimension 20. Now this point and this point dimension 50. Okay. Now go to this circle, control this circle, equal, and this circle, control this circle, equal, this circle, control this circle, equal. Okay. Now keep the dimension same dimension, this point and this point 50 and this point and this point dimension 20. Okay, select. Now go to 3-point arc, here select and here, okay, select. Now again here I'll give the dimension this line, control this line, control this line, tangent. Same this line, control this line, tangent. Give the dimension now this line control, now this line dimension 32. Have a problem. Yes. Select. Now again here and here. Select. Now you can control Z. Now again give the dimension 80. Okay. Now go to here again, select here and here. Okay, select. Now this line, control this line, tangent. Same this line, control this line, tangent. Now give the dimension 30. Okay, select. Now go to again here 3-point arc, here and here, select. These are control, these are equal. This line control, this line tangent. This line control this line tangent. Okay. Now go to again arc here. This line, this arc and this arc, select. Now these are control, these are equal. These are control, these are control, this line tangent. Same here. This point control, this point vertical. Okay, now fully defined. Now you can have make our job. You can cut here, no need, or as well as okay, trim, no need. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If you have any ask, you can write comment box.